Located right in the heart of Cedar Lane's business district stands Sababa Grill, a glatt kosher restaurant with the slogan, "The Flavor of Israel." Opened in 2005, Sababa Grill serves homemade, fresh Israeli cuisine, with all food under strict RCBC supervision. I was recently given an inside look with owner Danny Mizrahi, where he talked about his passion for food and culture.
I'm Sephardic.
Okay.
I'm Sephardic, and this is the Ashkenazi. So we have here combined Ashkenazi food and Sephardic food.
Okay.
So when I came to the country in 1982, I worked with the chef that I learned all the Ashkenazi food from them.
I asked Danny what his feelings are regarding the strength of Teaneck as a community and why he chose this township specifically for his restaurant.
Very, very close community. We have a lot of synagogue in the area. Basically, you have an opportunity to choose, it's an adventure to go wherever you want.
Exactly.
I wanted to use my town, and I said to my wife, this is no shawarma place in Teaneck. There's no Israeli food.
Those who work in Teaneck are always close to Danny's heart.
What I do on people that work in Teaneck, like on Cedar Lane, I give them like a 10% discount. The people, the service people that doing the job here.
Yeah.
I mean, the products for that.
Yeah.
We do our share. That if we can help them, we
Right.
can do our share.
Right.
Everybody has the share that he does.
If you haven't already, make sure you check out Sababa Grill, a delicious local gem, located at 456 Cedar Lane in Teaneck.